love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always
Namaste friends. So in the last lecture we saw about proof of stake, proof of work, the difference, and Ethereum is upgraded to proof of stake. There are 6 consensus mechanisms: proof of work, proof of stake. So in this one we'll be seeing the remaining ones: proof of activity, proof of elapsed time, proof of burn, proof of space. Okay, so we'll also be seeing which technology is used where, and some of them are just like proof of concept. So let's say friends, how are you all doing? So far we have actually seen many different types of technology. One is a proof of work and the proof of stake, and we saw how it is, and we also saw the difference between the proof of work and proof of stake, the top 2 technologies which has been used in the blockchain as of today. So today in today's agenda we'll be seeing the remaining ones which all is actually available. So the other things are the proof of activity, proof of burn, proof of capacity, which is also known as space, and proof of elapsed time. So these things I don't think it has been implemented much, but it is there in the pipeline. So what is a proof of activity or so it is a hybrid between the proof of work and the proof of stake. The proof of work is whatever work that you do, if you actually show your proof, you get a reward. A proof of stake is you need to actually stake some of your belongings in order to participate, and a random player is selected. Okay, so here this is a hybrid, so every templates are actually mined using a proof of work, which means a heavy hardware and the computational powers and everything, and the transactions are validated using a proof of stake. Okay, so which is you actually stake. So the nouns does not come in picture, but the proof of stake is there. So the hardwares and other stuff of that nature is actually coming in. So what is a proof of burn? As the name actually suggests, it is something called as a burn. So what do you burn? The coins are burned by sending into the address where it can't be retrieved. Okay, the more the coins you burn, the better the chances of you being selected. Or how do I actually say this? Now say suppose you are watching a cricket match, and in the cricket match there are some 100,000 people are there. So if you want to be noticed, if the cameraman wants to actually show you whether it's a cameraman or the women, okay, so whichever gender you may belong to, okay, you will actually design a very good banner, and you will actually do something silly and crazy, and you will actually do certain things so that actually catch the cameraman's attention, right? So likewise here, if you actually the proof of burn is you have to be sending a lot of coins in order to be noticed. Okay, so eventually you must actually stake more amount of your money by burning more and more coins in order to be noticed and in order to be picked. So this is the proof of burn. So it does have a downturn. Again, it is only stake. Again, it's only the person who can actually afford, just like the proof of stake. Now what is the proof of mechanism or the proof of capacity? Now as we know, the space is the hardware space or the memory. The more space you have, the better the odds of being selected for the next block. Okay, the consensus algorithm generates large data sets called plots, okay, which consume the storage. And the major criticism is more or less you can actually have it, but what is a deterrent for the bad player? If you are not punished for your wrongdoing, it'll only encourage you to do more. So where is a deterrent? So that is what it is. So the other thing is a proof of elapsed time. So this is basically created by Intel to run on the trusted execution environment. It is similar to the proof of work, but it is far more energy efficient. It's internal. So the thing is, the major criticism is it requires trust in Intel, places power back in the hands of the central authority. Remember, blockchain is a decentralized one, so it can actually go back to the the previous one of the central authority. So what did we learn? We have many mechanisms: proof of work, proof of stake, proof of activity, proof of burn, proof of space, proof of elapsed time. Okay, so there is at least 6 of them which is there as of today. I trust I made this lecture crisp and probably interesting to you. If you have any questions, you know where to contact me, and I will surely answer your queries to the best of my ability. Till we see next time, take care. Namaste friends, I trust you have actually enjoyed my lecture. If you have any questions, you know whom to contact. Like always, I would like to thank 2 persons. One is you for giving me a golden time. The other one is my wife Jayashree for allowing me to follow my passion of helping people. Till we see next time, take care. Cheers.